Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I thought of reviewing a skincare brand. So actually, I am the kind of person who is obsessed with coffee. Finding skincare products infused with coffee is like a dream come true for me. Since I saw these products online, I was literally obsessing over these products. I finally got the chance to grab these products. The brand is M Caffeine. I am literally obsessing over their products, their coffee infused products. They have like skincare and body care products. So I have mostly all of them, just I don't have the body butter with me and I don't have the body lotion with me. So I think I have all the other products. I'm just gonna show you and I'm just gonna give you the review. So first off, we have this face wash. So all these coffee infused products they have is mostly for normal to oily skin. So this is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash, and this retails for $3.49, but I'm sure you can find these on discount on Nykaa and on their website too. So yeah, this is the first product. We'll be trying this first as this is the first step. So I have opened their website and I'll just read out what they claim about this face wash. So it's written that it has white water lily which regenerates skin cells, reduce fine lines and protect against acne. I usually get acne, so it's good for me. And then obviously it has coffee which fights free radicals, deep cleanses and stimulate blood flow. And the last one is seaweed which reduce pigmentation and diminish dark spots. So yeah, this is about this face wash. So the fragrance is okay. I'm just gonna massage it for like a minute and then I'm gonna wash it off. So I washed my face. It doesn't feel anything different, but I do feel all the oil has gone now which I had on my face. So that's a good thing. So next up we have this body scrub. Packaging looks like same as face wash, and this is also for normal to oily skin. This retails for $3.49 and again you can get this on discounts. This has argan oil and vitamin E which soften, nourish and add healthy glow. It regenerates skin cells again and it prevents premature aging. Written to massage it for like a minute or two only, because it is not a mild scrub. So guys, I just washed my face after the scrub, so it feels really smooth, I have to say. So this scrub is quite nice. Don't massage it for more than 2-3 minutes, because I think I massaged it for more than 2-3 minutes and it's kind of burning. Very little, but it's kind of burning. But I think this burning sensation will go after I apply this mask. Then we have this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask, and dude, this smells divine. It literally smells like chocolate pudding, which makes me wanna eat it, which is not a good thing. And it comes with this a little spatula which I really like, this wooden spatula. So it makes it very easy to apply the face mask without getting your hands messy. So yeah, that's a good thing. So this retails for 575 rupees. I'm just gonna put this on my face with my fingers. So it says to leave it for 15-20 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes because I will be going somewhere. So I'm just gonna leave it for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off and I'll just show you the results.
Few moments later.
Guys, I washed my face after the face mask. It feels clean. My dirt is gone. the oil is gone. Then we have this packaging of under eye cream and the serum. So yeah, these two products came in this carton box. So first off, we have this under eye cream, and it has a pump. Again, it has coffee, which relieves dark circles. It has then caffeine, which tones the skin, and then it has white water lily, which reduces wrinkles and nourishes skin again with vitamin E, sun damage recovery, essential for healthy skin. And the last one is sweet almond oil, which moisturizes and soothes the skin. The pump is quite nice to get the product out. I really like the packaging. I'm just gonna put a pea-size amount on my finger. So I get very puffy eyes when I wake up. So it helps to depuff my eyes. I don't know about dark circles because I don't have any dark circles. If it works on dark circles, but yes, it definitely reduces my puffiness. And then we have this M-Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum. So this is how it looks. The packaging is, I think, damaged because I'm not able to press this thingy, this drop thingy, and it's like hard. You should be able to press it so that the products comes out, but I'm not able to press it. There is a packaging defect in this. So yeah, this is how it looks. It has coffee, which fight free radicals, gives a healthy glow. Caffeine tones the skin, antioxidant rich. White water lily eases hyperpigmentation, soothes the skin. Vitamin E, sun protection, essential for healthy skin. Last one is hyaluronic acid, which is my favorite. Hydrates. And hyaluronic acid supposed to give you hydration without making your skin greasy or anything, so which is my favorite. So actually what I heard is that the correct way of applying face serum is after your eye cream. So the eye cream will protect your under eye area from the chemicals it has, as the eye area is very delicate. So as I told you, this dropper doesn't work, so I'm just gonna apply it like this. Also, I would like to tell you that I have tried this product before and it doesn't work for me. I don't know what it has, which burns my skin. Literally, every time I have tried this, it burns my skin. Everybody has a different skin type, so it might work for you, but it doesn't work for me. I'm just applying this for the sake of this video. I really had very high hopes from this product, and this smells also very nice, but first of all, this came with a defective packaging, and then it tingles also and burns also on my skin. If it works for you, go ahead, buy it, but it doesn't work for me. It looks very nice on the skin though, like it is giving me a quite good glow, but then as I told you, in a day or two I'm gonna just get a red bumps and I'm gonna start getting breakouts. And the last step would be moisturizer, but this range doesn't have moisturizer, so I'm just gonna apply my moisturizer. Also, I got these freebies. With all these things, I got this free. And so this is the mini version of body scrub, and this is the mini version of body oil. So I have the bigger version of this. I'll just show you, but I don't have the bigger version of this. And last but not the least, I have this body scrub. Got this spatula with this. So it feels like they have given me a coffee in a jar. So this has coconut oil, which nourishes, hydrates, deep cleanses, reduce stretch marks, softens skin. The one is Arabica coffee powder, which exfoliates, smoothens skin, polishes skin, regular blood flow, and prevent premature aging, reduce cellulite. So it claims to reduce the stretch mark. What I discovered about this product is that it gives you a glow, and it removes tan also. And I don't know about the stretch marks because I don't have any, but yeah, it definitely gives you a glow. It softens your skin and removes tan also. So yeah. So yeah guys, that was it. This is my skin after all the products. It's quite glowy as you can see. Yeah guys, that was it. All these products are like really average. If you're like a coffee lover like me, then you should definitely try some of these products, if not all. Maybe a face wash and a scrub only. Like I got this bundle of eye cream and face serum, so you can get other bundles also, so you can order those. It's a fun experience to try some products infused with coffee. Yeah, and the price is also not quite like very high. I think it's like very affordable. So let me know in the comment section if you try any of these products, if you have already tried any of these products and how you like it and everything. You can follow me on Instagram also. I'll just leave my handle on the screen. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you for staying around. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.